In this video, we will be changing the color in which a field is displayed based on certain criteria. For this example, we'll be using the patient due field. In this case, I want this field to display in green if the patient due amount is less than $20, and I want it to display in red if the patient due amount is greater than $20. To do so, we will go to Customizer. You can go to File, Setup, Customizer. Next, we will select the area we wish to customize, which for this example would be Screen Order Payment. And we can create a new customization and give it a name. Once you hit OK, the report will load in a new screen. And here we will select the field we wish to modify, and then over on the right side of the screen you will see all the controls where we can modify attributes for these fields. We're going to scroll down to the text color field, and we'll click on the icon next to text color. Now we have the screen where we can enter an expression. So what we will do here is use a logical function, which is if, and we'll go back to our columns tab and we'll specify the tab that we need to create this expression for, and that would be amount patient due. And like I said earlier, what I want to happen here is if this amount is greater than 20, then I want the color to be displayed as red. So we can click on the Constants tab. If you expand color, here you have the option to select the color. So in this case we're looking for red, and here we go. So if this amount is greater than $20, display it in red, and if it's not greater than $20, then I want it to be displayed in green. And we can check this expression to make sure the syntax is correct. If it passes, you can hit OK. We can hit OK again, and now we can save this change. If we go back to our screen and manually select our layout, of course we can also default this in Customizer. As you can see, now that the patient due amount shows in red. So it definitely works, and we'll go back over here to our Manager tab, and now that we've tested it and it works properly, we can decide if we want to make it a default. From here you can choose if you want to default it to certain security groups, or if you want to make it a default to all security groups, and you can do so by clicking on Default All at the bottom and then hitting OK. And now if we go back to My Vision Express, we can open up an order which has a patient balance of less than $20 and see if the customization takes effect for that as well. If you go to our Payments tab, you'll notice that that amount is in green, just as we specified in that expression, because the amount is less than $20. So that is how you can determine the color that a field is displayed based on certain criteria using Customizer.